Where's the princess, Abby?
Corey has the presents.
He's close.
Yeah.
Like that.
What is it?
I
Ooh, Play-Doh. What else is in there?
Is this from Inga?
Yep, it's all from Inga.
This is for mine.
That's yours.
Say thank you, Corey.
Thank you, Corey.
You're welcome.
And Inga.
Inga.
Oh, what else is in there, Fee?
Oh, wow, that was nice of her.
This is my shoes.
Those are your princess shoes. That one bracelet in there is Mom's. Can you grab it?
This is my.
It's a coloring book.
Inside this here?
No, that.
Oh,
Corey. That's for Nana.
that one's for Nana.
What else is in there, Fee?
Wow, look at these outfits. They're so cute. I know what you're wearing tonight.
Ooh, what's that, Fee?
That's it.
Look at all your toys.